If you're seeing a Krita error code 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons it happens and how to fix it step by step. This error usually means something is blocking Krita from connecting properly, and that could be your firewall, a VPN, or even an Invalid API key if you're using an AI plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check so you can get Krita working again without wasting time. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most common cause, your firewall or VPN. If Krita is trying to reach the internet and getting blocked, you may see a 403 forbidden error when downloading official plugins, checking for updates, or opening community pages. Start by turning off your VPN temporarily and then try again. Sometimes a VPN changes your location or filters traffic in a way that causes Krita's request to be denied. If the error disappears after disabling the VPN, then you found the issue. If you prefer to keep your VPN on, the next step is to whitelist Krita in your firewall settings. On Windows, open your firewall or security software and look for allowed apps or exceptions. Add Krita to the allowed list so it can access the internet normally. If you're using antivirus software with built-in network protection, check that too because it may also block certain connections. On Mac or Linux, the process is similar. You want to make sure Krita is trusted and not being restricted by network rules. Now, if you're using an API inside Krita, especially through an AI plugin or an extension that connects to a service online, the 403 error may be caused by an invalid or expired API key. In that case, open the plugin or API settings and double-check the key you entered. Make sure there are no extra spaces, missing characters, or expired credentials. If the key has expired, generate a new one from the service provider and replace it inside Krita. Then save the settings and test the connection again. Another thing to try is changing your web browser if the issue happens while you're trying to download plugins, updates, or access Krita community pages. Sometimes the browser itself can cause sign-in or access problems, especially if cached data, extensions, or privacy settings interfere with the page. Try opening the same link in a different browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If it works there, clear the cache in your original browser or disable suspicious extensions before trying again. If you're downloading official Krita plugins and getting blocked, also make sure the site itself is accessible in your region and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or secure connections. Refresh the page, sign in again if needed, and try to download from a clean browser session. In some cases, simply restarting Krita after updating your network settings can help it reconnect properly. So to quickly recap, first, turn off your VPN and test Krita again. Second, whitelist Krita in your firewall or antivirus. Third, check whether your API key is valid if you're using an online plugin. And fourth, if the problem happens in the browser, switch browsers or clear your cache and try again. These steps solve most Krita error code 403 issues and should get you back to work fast. If this video helped you fix the error, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.